There's a lawsuit coming, Chris. Let's just put it that way.
Now, this is a question we ask everyone that comes into police custody. What is your gender and what are your pronouns?
I have a penis.
There's an additional charge, okay? I'm just going to give it to you.
Sir, I'm asking you nicely.
Ask. Keep asking. Keep asking.
Over matching a description, apparently. We got pulled over for matching a description?
All three situations revolve around a conflict between civil rights and the authority of law enforcement or businesses. While filming in public is legal, it is not always easily accepted. Police officers, employees, and citizens often interpret the law differently, leading to unnecessary tension. The key is for both sides to understand their rights and limits to avoid conflicts and ensure mutual respect.
There's a lawsuit coming, Chris. Let's just put it that way.
Now, this is a question we ask everyone that comes into police custody. What is your gender and what are your pronouns?
I have a penis.
There's an additional charge, okay? I'm just going to give it to you before you go speak to your lawyer.
Oh.
Really? Okay. Don't know what the incident number is.
Does anybody find it out?
I'll find that out for you. I think these officers want to talk to you.
Yeah. What's going on?
What's going on?
Alright, so here's the deal. Right now you're getting placed under arrest for criminal harassment, okay?
For criminal harassment?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
You want me to hold this for you? You want me to put it somewhere?
Pardon me?
You want me to put this somewhere?
I'll see you with my property.
Yep, okay.
Yep.
Is this your property?
No, that's not
No,
my
it's
property.
not your property? Okay. I'm just going to put it here. Okay, I'm going to read you something, okay?
Yep.
A 36 call.
Any sharp jobs in your pocket?
Nope.
I have some keys, a set of keys.
Okay, so right now I'm arresting you for criminal harassment, okay? So my duty to inform you have the right to retain and instruct counsel at delay. You also have the right to telephone any lawyer you wish. You also have the right to free advice from a legal aid lawyer. If you're charged with an offense, you may apply the Ontario Legal Aid Plan for assistance. 1-800-265-0451 is the number. I'll put you in contact with a legal aid duty counsel lawyer for free legal advice right now. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, and do you wish to call a lawyer?
Yep.
Okay. So we can facilitate that for you. Caution, you're charged with criminal harassment. You're not obliged to say anything in answer to the charge, whatever you say may be given evidence. Do you understand?
Yeah, so just criminal harassment for filming in public?
I'll explain it to you in a minute. Sorry, just some things.
You take off my hood? It's a little hot.
Yeah.
It's tied. Can you?
It's tied?
Yeah, pick up.
Left on foot, no directions, travel.
Still want it down?
Yep.
Oh, there you go.
Want to get the sergeant or just contact?
Yeah, do you want to start?
Arrested just for filming in public. Is this an abuse of power by the police? Watch the full incident and decide who is right and who is wrong.
You can just slide it in my pocket there or give it to him. Appreciate that.
Oh, you're under arrest.
Yeah.
Okay. No problem. I guess you're gonna come in then. I'll give this to you when you come in.
Yeah, sure. I mean,
Is that okay?
yeah, I think land as my property. If you could take it, that'd be great as well.
I will definitely, if you're coming in here, I'll be the one parading you, and I will
Sure.
certainly give you this information, whatever other information you need. Okay?
Yep.
Oh, what's your name again?
I'm under arrest now, right? So.
Yeah, just so I know who I'm talking
You do have to identify
Yeah,
yourself.
James Henry.
Okay, James. It's Tony.
Pardon me?
Tony's my name, James. That's how people usually interact. They exchange names.
All right,
Nice
Tony.
to meet you, James.
Do you want me to turn off your screen so you're not wasting power?
Yeah, it's the button at the top.
Top. Here?
Yeah.
There you go.
And this,
Pardon me?
how does this thing turn off?
I think it's off. Oh, I'm not sure.
Where's the off button on this?
I just got that thing on, you know.
Is this on? Does this need to be turned off?
Yeah, red lights.
If you have the one, go ahead.
This thing is It's off.
Just see,
Transmissions are
like
inaudible.
just
Can you try
call,
again?
see where they want.
Are you guys my arresting officers?
Yep.
You have any idea?
No.
Hey, is Detective Higgins there? Okay.
Local line negative.
Yeah, so where do you want? What do you want? Yeah.
Never transmission.
Yeah. Yeah, he gave it to you, and I'll get the information. And then where do you want this guy? Do you want him just taken to a car right now, or do you want him just taken to the back? Okay. Should we just take him to a scout car then?
CIB or?
Yeah, Shabby. Just trying to figure out what they want. If they want us to put him in a car and go from there, or
That's
these are going to be.
to go, and that's the charge. I'll see what Higgins for.
Book him? Okay. Okay, I'll... For sure. Okay. Honestly, I have no idea. They just told us to go and arrest them. I'll give you all the information when I get it. Yeah. Okay. All right, bye.
It really makes sense just not.
Did you write down his name?
No, no,
Let me write down. Okay, let me just grab the phone here.
It's gonna be James.
James?
Yep.
Common spelling?
Yep. H-E-A-R-N. James Hearn.
H-E-A-R-N.
A-R-N.
Hearn?
Yep.
Yeah. Date of birth? 1984. Appreciate that. Okay. We're gonna be booking him.
Didn't book.
Yeah, so I don't know if we want to just take him right to the booking hall. We still got to do an arrest screen and everything.
No promise to appear on this. I mean, I'm just.
I'm not too sure. They might cut you from the station on that. Right now we're just going to be taking you back there because we're obviously here right now.
I mean, you guys know what I was doing. You guys been like filled in on everything I was doing.
Oh, I saw you when I came in, but yeah.
So just filming from the public sidewalk.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I understand what you're doing. Yeah. So did Tim take the paper?
That's his paper. I think Tony.
This is his paper?
Yeah, that's his. I think staff has
Oh,
it.
because Tim has the other one with the... No, not with the... Well, it does have the gun number on it, but it has the exact wording for his charge, because he's going to want to know what that is. Okay.
Well, mind if I turn to the right a little bit? My knee is a bit.
Yeah. Sure.
Thanks.
Just take him out to the back where the car is.
Yeah, just walk.
Yeah. And let me just run the cameras through the car real quick.
I know the door number they want to go with up there. I don't know if that's the case they're already working on.
Okay, I'll put it under that then.
If you can see in the dark.
I can see.
Actually, sorry, you're sort of.
James, right? Yeah. So the full charge is harassment by watching and besetting, okay?
Yep.
Just so you understand. I just gotta do the camera test. Yeah.
So it's not criminal harassment anymore?
No, it's still under harassment. It's criminal harassment. The criminal charge, harassment by watching and besetting. Yeah.
That's just.
Yeah.
That sounds like that was watching somebody get changed or something.
The charge would be did without lawful authority and knowing that another person, namely, he'll be a victim in this situation, without lawful, has harassed or recklessly as to whether that person was harassed, engaged in besetting or watching the dwelling house, the place of residence, the workplace, the place of business, a place where basically a victim, namely the victim in this situation would probably be Toronto Police, and caused the said repeat name of victim to reasonably fear for their safety.
Sorry to interrupt you. Is it from filming the embassy or the police station?
It's going to be for the police station.
For the police station.
Yeah.
Good, how are you? Yeah, just taking some picture and video.
Of who?
Of just everything I can see. Sorry, can I get your name?
Why are you standing right here, though?
Can I get your name?
Not yet. I want to ask you what you're doing.
Okay, well, if you don't want to give me your name, I don't want to talk to you.
Are you filming cars coming and going? Is that what you're doing?
Can I get your name?
Are you filming cars coming and going from this police facility?
Can I get your name, sir?
I asked you a question first.
Do I have to answer you?
No, you don't have to answer me.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So in Canada, we're not allowed to film the police station? What about the global news guy that was there filming for 2 hours constantly?
It would be for recording vehicles as they enter and exit from the parking garage.
So what if I record people coming in and out of the building?
You could technically be charged, I guess, under the same, by the wording.
That's what global news was doing.
By the wording, if someone wished to lay that charge, I guess they could lay that charge.
Again, I'm not trying to argue with you or be combative or anything. I'm just trying to genuinely understand how in Canada, under the Canadian Charter of Rights, Section 2, Part B, we have the freedom of the press. We can record anything in public. There's no privacy in public. There's no expectation of privacy in public. Including license plates, including government employees. I'm allowed to film from the public sidewalk into any private property that I want.
So our criminal investigative team has advised that they wish to seek this charge, so that's why you're arrested. So
that's fine. I will be holding you guys accountable.
That's fine. You can speak to a member of the investigative team too. I'm sure one of them's going to come and talk to you anyways.
All right. This is what I do, man. I go across Ontario, I go across the country, and I film law enforcement in their duties.
That's fine.
Our RV Seraphinitis gives us the right to film police officers.
I'm not saying you can't film police officers.
I'm just saying, man, the charge is this is a retaliation charge, it seems like, because it was filming. I wasn't rude to any of the officers who came out to ask me what I was doing. I wasn't combative. I'm talking to you just like I am now. I'm not one of those auditor guys you see on YouTube who just go and look for a reaction from the police. I'm actually quite the opposite. I just hold bad police officers accountable, that's it.
Fair enough. I'm not saying you're rude in any way. I'm not saying any of that stuff. I'm not accusing you of that.
Yep.
A freelance journalist was arrested just for filming outside a police station. While mainstream media could record freely, he was charged with harassment and intimidation. Is this justice or a violation of press freedom? Watch and judge for yourself.
Yep. Yep. Am I good to go in?
Yeah. So everything's being audio taped, video taped in here, right?
All right, Lam. That's good. Glad. Is there a seatbelt?
There's no seatbelts back
Okay.
Pardon me? You might as well grab a property bag while you're in there.
Can you please ask Lam to get the incident number as well from the other officer?
Sorry, who?
The other officer, Gonzaga or whatever, he was going to give me the incident number.
Yeah, the staff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the go number. I have it here.
Alright, cool. You can just put it in my property. I'd appreciate that. So how do I pronounce your name?
Let me check. You
Can
can
you-
call me Chris.
Alright, Chris. You gotta agree with me, Chris. It's kind of crazy how there's a global news guy out there recording the same amount of time as I was, and I'm the only one that gets charged.
I didn't see a global news person today. Was that today?
Yeah, they're on the intersection right out front of the door, right in front of the front door, filming the building.
I haven't been to the front of the station besides the vestibule area where you were, so I haven't seen anybody from Global News today. You see
Yeah.
Global News?
Yep.
Yeah, so I can't speak to that. I haven't seen them.
Yeah, they were there doing the exact same thing that I was, man. And I'm telling you, like, I've got it all on film. I even talked to the global news people. I mean,
Mind if I ask you guys a quick question? How long you guys been out there on the corner for? How long were you out on the corner for?
Why were we on the corner?
No, how long, roughly? A couple hours, 30 minutes? Did any cops come and ask you why? Yeah.
I saw two walking around, mostly at the gate.
They never came to talk to you, though? You guys have a good one. Appreciate it.
people. I mean,
I mean, fair enough.
There's a lawsuit coming, Chris. Let's just put it that way.
Yeah, fair enough. If you saw that, you saw that. I don't know. I didn't see what you saw.
I know the people who told you to arrest me, they saw it.
I don't know. They didn't say anything about global news or anything.
No, it's because it's global news.
Oh.
An independent journalist is far more scarier.
So we come in shortly, and then we'll go from there, okay? And
Yep.
you can ask the staff or the sergeant who's parading you any questions you have.
All right.
All right.
A controversial arrest raises questions about the balance between security and press freedom. The police claim the filming was harassment, while the journalist insists he was exercising his legal rights. Is this a necessary action to ensure safety or an abuse of power? What do you think?
So what I'll have you do is just stand on these steps here and face towards the staff.
Face towards Tony, my buddy.
Yeah.
Hey, James, how are you? Listen to, he's going to read you a notice here, okay, James?
Alright, I'm just going to read you a few things, alright? So notice sections of this building, including this area, are videotaped by remote audio-visual recording machines, and this equipment is now in operation, and you are under observation. And also there is a privacy shield notice. There are video cameras recording the interior of each cell, including the area of the toilet. Ask the booking hall office, sir, for privacy shield if you would like to cover yourself while using the toilet.
Okay, can you please state your name for the record?
James Zern.
And what's your date of birth? And what's your current home address? Okay. Okay, we have two officers operating. Badge numbers are 8967 and 12150. Over to you, staff.
Thank you. Officer, what's James here for?
Good afternoon, staff. Again, this is James. He was observed outside of the station at the members' entrance for the
search. We got laces and a battery pack from the search.
There was a battery pack, a $5 bill, yeah.
And laces.
And the laces. Oh, and then here's a. You have the. The translator.
Okay, James. Unless you have something else you want to tell me, you're going to go to cells.
Number 10.
Number 10, and Booker will start making those phone calls to you, and we'll pull you out of the cells to make those, to have those conversations, okay?
Sure.
Just let us know if anything happens that you need something.
What cell was it, sorry?
Number 10.
My camera's on, okay? Just letting you know. There's an additional charge, okay? I'm just going to give it to you before you go speak to your lawyer, alright? So the additional charge is going to be, intimidation by watching the setting as well, okay? So let's give you your RTC and caution again, and then when you go speak to your lawyer in a moment, or the duty counsel, you can advise them of the additional charge as well.
Sure, how's that intimidating?
That's what they've decided upstairs. I'm just laying the charge.
Who's the complainant? Like, who that harass?
Pardon me? There's a member of the service who's the complainant. It's all going to be, you'll be able to get that information. Okay? So right now, like I said, you're getting the additional charge of the threatening, okay? So it's my duty to inform you have the right to obtain and instruct counsel at delay. You also have the right to telephone any lawyer you wish. You also have the right to free advice from a legal aid lawyer. If you are charged an offense, you may apply to the legal claim for assistance. 1-800-265-0451 is the number to put you in contact with legal aid duty counsel lawyer for free legal advice right now. And do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, and obviously your duty counsel lawyer is on the phone. We're just going to have you go over there in a second. So I'm assuming you'd wish to speak to him.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So caution, like I said, you're also being given the additional charge of intimidation by watching in this setting. You're not obliged to say anything in answer to the charge. Whatever you say may be given in evidence. Do you understand?
Yeah, perfect. My Canadian charter right.
Yeah, so it's...
I understand.
He's good. Yeah, so it's... the charge is intimidation, okay?
This incident highlights the importance of knowing the law and understanding your rights. Whether filming in public is legal depends on local regulations and enforcement. It also raises concerns about fairness and how authorities treat independent journalists versus mainstream media.
You
Sir, I'm asking you nicely.
ask. Keep asking. Keep asking.
You
On here. Keep your hands off of him, lady. Keep your hands off of him. Hey, calm down.
Let me go ahead and get that.
100%.
Yeah, that's assault. That's assault.
It is not assault.
That is assault.
Direct order and you
No,
didn't
direct
follow
order for what? For what?
She just hit me right
Yeah,
here.
right. I got it on camera
Right
too.
here.
And we're getting your body camera too.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
It's
100%.
available.
Give me your card.
It's available.
Give me your
Once you back
card.
up, I'll get you
I
my
said,
card.
are you asking me? And I said I would do it.
You ain't can do shit
Obey a
here.
direct order.
No, there's no
I
direct
told you
order.
to get up
He
on
wasn't
the floor.
breaking the law.
What law
Yes,
is that?
What law? What law?
Failing to obey a direct law.
For what?
There
That's
has to be a
secondary.
law
There
for
has to
it.
be another
There
cause
has to
for
be-
that.
There's no law for that.
No.
I told you to get
No, I can sit on this car if I
There's no law
want
for
to.
that, lady.
Get out of my face.
No,
No.
you pushed me.
Out of here.
Me, ma'am. Supervisor.
No, yeah, I
They're
need your
already on the way.
supervisor.
They're already on
Perfect. Perfect. Can't
Already
wait
on
for
the
it.
way.
Great.
Can't wait for it. You can ask.
Law,
What
lady.
law is that, lady? You don't even
I
know
can
your
record
laws.
you. I'm allowed to record
I didn't say you couldn't
Colorado
record.
Revised Statute
The second-
16-3-1.
No,
Okay.
no, you were hot from
The
before.
second you walked up, I said you can
Walked
record.
up,
you can
I
do
was
whatever.
here.
And
He
I
was
said,
right there.
"Did
You walked up to
get
him.
Walked up on
space?"
me. You
Yeah.
walked
You're
up on
right.
me.
You're right.
You
because
walked
you're right
up on me.
my
So
office.
what? So what?
You didn't touch me.
I touched you because I told
Yeah,
you to get back
look,
and you did.
Yeah, because you were in your feelings. That's why you did it.
Do the police truly understand the law, or are they overstepping their authority? When a citizen simply films police vehicles, why are they threatened and told to leave? Let's uncover the truth.
You assaulted me.
How about you back up?
Yeah, absolutely. We need a supervisor because
That-
to back away from the car. I said, "There's no law. There's no law on that. I can stand right here." You know what I'm saying? But I said, if you ask me, I'll go ahead because she was being rude about it.
What is your name?
Huh?
What is your name?
I don't give it. I don't give it.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is, I'm sorry. What?
Okay. If she asks you to step away, if you're interfering,
I'm not interfering.
Can I finish? If you're interfering and she asks you to step away, then you just please step away. Okay.
If
There was-
I would never interfere though.
Okay. And I
Interfering is a physical act.
It's not necessary.
Yes, it
It
absolutely
is,
is.
100%.
You might wanna look that up. It's not on
It's in the
speech
laws,
alone.
it's in the
It's not on
statutes.
speech alone. It has to be interfering. Has to be a physical act. Look it up. Even in the black law in the black law dictionary, I'm allowed to do what I'm supposed to do.
To a certain
Colorado
extent.
Revised. Hold on. Colorado Revised 16-3-311, which I'm allowed to record police.
And I don't have a problem with you recording police.
I appreciate that.
she did.
What I'm saying is that I feel that you haven't said anything about her putting her hands on me. I did nothing to. She came up to me actually, and while I was right near the door, I didn't walk up to her. She came up to me, and she hit me. And you can check her body count.
Recording.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, there's a number on the back. I'll give you my card. There's a number on the back if you want to file a compliment or concern. Okay?
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Ain't no compliment.
Yeah, there's gonna be concerns for sure.
I'm not filing it. That I was assaulted.
Okay.
I was assaulted. I would like to file charges on her.
Okay. When Aurora comes to take the guy, is he still here?
No, he was out.
Okay. So if you'd like to request the Aurora Police Department to respond, then you can
Do what you
talk
need to
with the
do,
Aurora Police.
but
No,
you
need
this
to do what
person-
you need to do if you want to talk. I think
You're
Aurora's coming, right?
you're law enforcement officer, and you're not enforcing the law here. So you're going to be just as guilty if you don't put her in handcuffs right now.
Okay, this is the city of Aurora, so we'll call it. We've got the city of Aurora.
Well, you're here now, officer.
Okay, I work for RTD Transit Police.
You're still police. You're law enforcement. Killed. What? Mark my words. She is going to get somebody killed.
Stop that. I didn't see you do any of that.
You saw me over there calling the phone with my boss.
See, that's the problem. You didn't provide oversight. You didn't tell her to.
Because I was over
You didn't
there
tell her to. You
talking
didn't
to
tell
him.
her to stand down.
When police confront citizens exercising their right to film in public, the question arises, are they upholding the law or abusing their power? This video highlights the clear contrast between officers who respect the law and those who don't. Is this about security or restricting press freedom?
Hey, get out and record that. Get out and record that. That's the First Amendment, man. You know what the First Amendment is? You took an oath to uphold the Constitution. Don't talk to me and I won't talk to you. Don't talk to me and I won't talk to you. Don't talk to me and I won't talk to you. Deal? Deal? The First Amendment covers all that. Hey, ma'am, don't talk to this officer. Roll your window up and don't talk to her. Roll your window up and don't talk to her.
You will be detained for interference with public business.
You know what
Detained for interference with public business.
You know what interference is?
Yes, I do.
Hey,
Please
Speech alone does you.
Sir, I'm asking you nicely.
Ask. Keep asking. Keep asking.
You want to record? That's fine. If you could just
get on my face.
If you could
Get the on my face. This is private property. I can be wherever I want to be, unless the owner tells you and your investigation. Investigate this.
Sir, you're this close for me to detain.
Shut.
Appreciating if you sit
Shut up. Shut up. Go do your job. Go do your job, you stupid little bitch. You know who the I am? Don't talk to her. Don't talk to her. Roll up your window and don't talk to her. You never have to talk to the police. Bro, stop talking. Exercise your Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, bro. Stop talking, man. They're not your friends, bro. As friendly as they are, they're not your friends.
This confrontation raises key questions about individual rights and law enforcement practices. Police have a duty to maintain order, but citizens also have the right to film in public spaces. The issue is where to draw the line between security and power abuse. Who do you think was right in this situation?
Hey, ma'am, you didn't have to give your ID to this officer. No passengers have to ID in the whole United States unless she's been suspected of a crime. In Texas 3802, you don't have to ID unless you've been lawfully arrested. Penal Code 3802. This little bitch here don't know what the talking about.
I'd appreciate
Shut up. You appreciate whatever.
Step a little further back. I'm not going to ask you again. You're more than welcome to it. Stay where you want to stay. Just step a little back.
You just said I can stay where I want to stay.
No, if you can stay
You just, hey, are you going to keep changing your story or what?
I said, say, you're more than welcome to record.
And I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Shut the fuck up. Hey, bro, never talk to these cops, bro. All you're going to do is talk yourself into a jail cell, bro. Notice this gang member is all up in his car, sticking his pig snout where it doesn't belong. And do something, they turn into the boundary police. Oh, stand over there, stand over here. You're interfering. She don't know the definition of interfering in the penal code.
I'm going to ask you to stay back over there, okay? Just stay back over. Is this your car here?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, I need you to step back there. You're interfering with our public duties, okay? They're trying to conduct a traffic stop.
What's the definition of interfering? I just want to know.
Sir, just go over here.
I don't want to go over there. How about if I go over here?
Stand back.
What's the definition of interfering?
Stand back.
What's the definition of interfering?
Sir, I don't have time to deal with you because you're dealing with a traffic stop.
You're dealing with a traffic stop. You got 4 units here. Hey, you think those, you think them stripes give you extra rights, man?
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Tyrant. Hey, be cool, man. I'll be cool with you. You be cool with me. I know, bro. You heard of First Amendment auditors?
I don't really watch
okay, that's cool, man. I'm not out here to give you guys a hard time, man. But she approached me in a aggressive way, so she gets what she gets. She gets what she gives. Like me and you. You see, we're cool, man.
Yeah.
You ain't giving me shit, so I ain't giving you shit. The sergeant right here, he's gonna get some shit too when this shit's over.
Yeah, I understand. Everybody's different, man. But, we're just trying to.
Yeah. Well, you know what the definition of interference is in the penal code?
I do.
What is it? What is it?
Sir, I'm not going to get into debate over you on penal
because you don't know
the
penal code, man.
Okay.
Speech alone does not construe interference. You should know that, Sergeant.
Would you say speech alone?
Speech alone.
Absolutely. You're 100% correct.
That's the First Amendment.
You're encroaching on the trappic stop, which makes it unsafe for my officers.
Okay, what?
Because I don't know who you are, right? You're not doing anything.
Well, I don't know who you are either.
Okay.
You're a tyrant, too. Yeah, you were. You were pointing your finger in my face, Look, just like right now. See? You can't help yourself. You're a tyrant. You can't help yourself. This dude is... Why don't you take some lessons from this guy? Yes, he is. I can see that. I hope you ain't training his ass. Fucking tyrant. Come at me all aggressive. You get what you give. You know that? I'm not giving this guy shit because he didn't give me no shit. You pulled up here with your finger out at me, so you get... Huh?
Why you keep going? Why are you trying to stir stuff up?
Because you're a tyrant and you deserve it. You deserve my verbal abuse. And you can't do shit about it because the First Amendment allows it.
Absolutely.
The First Amendment covers unpopular speech.
Absolutely.
This incident highlights the importance of knowing your rights. Not all officers understand or respect the right to film in public. Citizens must be informed to protect themselves, and law enforcement needs better training to prevent power abuse and ensure fair treatment.
Matching the description, apparently. We got pulled over for matching the description?
What?
Yes, just taking some video.
Nothing specific.
No worries. So the only thing is that I've had a few customers that just say that they feel a little bit uncomfortable with you guys out here videotaping. And I already talked to my manager. She just said, unfortunately, I'm going to have to ask you guys to not do that.
You're going to ask us to not film while I'm standing on public property?
That is correct.
Well, we're going to deny that request.
Okay. All right. Then I will call my manager back, tell her what you guys said. Depending on what she said that I may need to call the police. I'd rather not do that. But if that's what I'm told to do, that's
let me ask you a real question. Do you think that the police will come here and remove us from private property film or public property filming?
I do not know. I'm just trying.
They're not.
Hey, man, I'm just trying.
Just to give you a heads up. Police already know that we're here. They're not going to kick us off. They're not going to kick us off of public property. There's no way in hell.
Okay. Sorry, I got you.
The cops will not kick us off of public property. What's that? What's that?
What's going on?
I'm just taking some video. What's that? We don't disclose that while we're working.
Do you have a permit to do that?
What's that?
Do you have a permit to do that?
A permit?
Yeah.
We do not.
Don't need a permit to film in public.
A filmmaker on a public sidewalk is told to stop recording. Do businesses have the right to privacy, or is this a violation of press freedom? Let's uncover the truth.
Yeah, it's like the 9th cam back and we just started. What's that? Just taking some video.
Of the business?
Yeah.
For what?
We can't disclose that while we're working, but yeah, we're just taking some video.
Why can't you disclose it while you're working? It says business.
Yeah, we just don't share it while we're working.
Who do you guys work for? What's that?
We're not going to disclose that right now.
Okay. So no permits or anything to film or nothing like this?
No, not.
You call the police?
Yeah. We're in public, on a public sidewalk.
Right.
Yeah, but it's
Still disturbing his business. You know?
We're not disturbing. We're not disturbing anybody.
They do right now.
How did we disturb your business by filming?
Yeah, but he doesn't like it.
Does he have maybe the right to know why you guys are
People
filming?
doesn't
his
like
business?
it.
No,
People
you do not have the right to
sitting
know.
People sitting inside doesn't like
What's
it.
that?
People sitting inside doesn't like it.
Okay, but why sit against a glass window if you don't want people looking at you?
I have 3 people who bothering my business and disturbing people in the business.
See, they
My
use
restaurant,
trigger words and just make.
they are sitting and filming.
You guys are witnessing people making up lies to get the police to hurry up.
6033.
Goodbye. We got pulled over for matching the description, apparently. We got pulled over for matching the description?
Yeah, someone thought you were breaking into a car.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what they called about direction of travel, everything.
Okay.
So where are you guys coming from?
I'm not going to answer any questions. If you want to arrest us for being a suspect vehicle, go ahead.
Hey, we're just saying you're
No, I don't believe it, and I'm not okay with that.
The clash between the filmmaker and the business owner raises key questions about privacy and press freedom. While businesses may feel uncomfortable, the law protects the right to film in public. So where do we draw the line between personal rights and public freedons?
Do you guys have trouble opening your car when you opened your doors?
No.
Yeah, we did.
You did, actually?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, okay.
So somebody saw you guys jimmying the
Yeah.
car.
Jimmy in the car?
Trying to get in. They thought...
No, because my magnet was blocking the fucking RFID for the car door.
Okay. Okay.
Damn, bro, you guys are... This is ridiculous.
This is not okay though. Match the description. Like, come on.
Somebody saw you guys trying to open the door.
Okay, but that's still like, come on.
Okay.
You'd be upset if you got pulled over for matching the description too.
Hey, and that's why we're trying to figure it out.
Okay.
Okay. The car's registered to you?
No, it's registered to my wife.
To you? Okay. Okay, this is your car.
Okay.
Okay. That's
That's bizarre.
Damn, 3 cop cars.
So we're being detained if we're matching a description of breaking into our own car. Apparently.
What police department is this?
Huntington Beach.
Wow.
All right.
Be careful pulling out. We have this whole lane.
You pulled us over right here. I don't know what you did.
Hey, no, this whole lane is blocked, so you can just
Okay.
go ahead. You don't have to worry about
All
anything
right.
behind you. Okay.
I can't hear you.
Where are you from?
Where am I from? We don't disclose that while we're working.
Why are you hiding your face?
I'm not hiding my face, sir. I'm out here in the sun. It gets hot, get burnt.
You can go ahead.
All of you hide.
He's hiding his face. Are you gonna yell at him?
No, he's not comfortable because he doesn't know why you're before you ask the owner.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
He's the owner. He wants to know why you didn't ask permission to shoot his shop.
Okay, the other guy was hiding his face. You guys didn't yell at
That
him.
doesn't answer the question.
Okay, but I don't owe you an answer.
Why not? Okay.
You're gonna continue or you can leave? I order to leave. I'm gonna call the police.
You're welcome to call the police if that's what you have to do.
Why would you call the police? Just film it. No reason to call the police.
Yeah, but the polite thing to do is to say, do you mind being filmed?
So if we
Not
did,
taking selfies.
so if we did that everywhere we were supposed to get done, we would never get the job done.
What job is that?
I'm not going to disclose that while we're working. She said I'm in the wrong town. Uh-oh. Yep.
Feel free.
What are you guys doing?
Just take us a video.
Oh, okay. Seal Beach or?
We can't really disclose what our purpose is here today.
When someone films in public, is it a legal right or an invasion of others' privacy? Businesses have reasons to be concerned, but the law also protects the right to record in public spaces. Where should we draw the line between personal rights and the collective interest?
Everything we see.
For what?
We don't disclose that while we're working.
Well, you are photographing my establishment, so
Okay.
what are you doing?
I'm not going to share that with you right now. I love how the chick that wasn't even anywhere near being seen is now. Nice. I'm very ladylike. She's giving us the bird, although you can barely see it. Maybe the most cambacks we've gotten at once ever.
First Amendment right. Oh, look, there's like 6 of them.
Jesus.
7 of them. Freedom of the press
Hold
never
on,
looks
hold
so
on
nice.
your face things.
Yeah, we want to see your face.
But I got my best face on.
No, why are you filming? You got our face. We want to see your face.
We want to know why you're. Oh, I saw that. Let me see it. Why are you doing this?
Beautiful.
I'm allergic to people.
And they've been filming us for like 20 minutes now.
Howdy, sir. How are you?
Wait, what's that?
I said, you guys have permission to film inside the store?
Yeah, we're
No.
not inside the store.
No, I know, but you're filming through the window.
We do not have permission.
Okay. That's what I thought.
Do we need permission?
I would advise it.
From who?
Can you say why?
You guys say why you're filming?
Not until you explain why we should have permission to film from a public sidewalk.
It's not where you're filming from, it's what you're filming.
So just so you understand, you can't trespass the eyes, and if I can see it with my eyes, I can film it. That's how the law is written.
Is it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's called your First Amendment right.
Okay, so I explained. Would you guys mind explaining why you're filming inside the store?
We don't disclose that while we're working.
Okay, well, I asked
why you were filming, and you said you would say
No.
why you're filming.
We don't
after I
disclose
told
that
you
while
guys.
we're working.
Okay, so
It's so funny we got this guy just.
okay, and then why are you filming me?
Because you're engaging us.
Right, but I have not given you guys my consent.
You don't have to in public. You're out in public, ma'am.
Okay, but I should not be on camera if I don't want to be on camera.
But you're in public.
I'm doing my job.
Okay, regardless, you're in public though.
Yes, but I'm doing my job.
Okay, and that's
And I would
fine.
appreciate it if you didn't film me. So thank you.
You're on the film. If there was any in the phone. That'd be some really expensive film to try to fit the phone though.
He is upset. How you doing? How you doing? You just got off the bus? He's drunk. No, he's drunk. No, not even.
It's a very good wave. Great posture for the wave.
Thank you.
Not much.
What you guys filming for?
Oh, I was taking some video.
Okay, of what?
Anything we see.
Okay, so in particular this bar?
What's that?
Are you guys filming us or you guys just filming the bar?
Everything we see.
What's the point?
They've been doing up and down the street. Yep.
Okay, cool. So what's the reason?
We're not going to disclose that while we're working.
Okay, so you guys have permission to film us?
Absolutely.
Okay, no, you don't have my permission, so
Yeah, you actually are wrong about that.
I'm not actually.
You're in public.
First Amendment gives us permission.
Okay, so
The
First
Bill of
Amendment-
Rights gives
Do you know
us
what the
permission.
Constitution of the United States is?
Yeah.
Can you recite the First Amendment?
No, dude, I'm drunk right now. I can't recite the First
It's called
Amendment.
freedom of the press.
Okay, great. You guys are press?
Absolutely.
So show your press.
Who issues press credentials?
Press passes aren't a thing unless you work for like CNN.
I'm supposed to
or something.
identify
Great,
to
dude.
you?
Great, dude. I'm just asking.
Do you
dude.
know the
Oh,
First Amendment of the
you
Bill of
understand-
Rights
No.
gives us
I'm not
permission
trying
to
to.
be
I'm
the
not
press?
trying to get it. I'm not trying to get it up in your guys' face.
But you
This is
did. You literally got 12 inches
this
from my
is-
face.
No, dude. This is what I see. I see. We're having a good time
Take a
inside.
step
We
back.
see you guys.
Take a step back.
Okay, sure, man. We see you guys. We're having a good time. We see you guys filming us, and we're just like, hey, man, what the heck?
Honestly, we didn't even see you in there.
All right, cool, man. No, that's good.
Guys, we're taking shots. What are you guys doing?
Just taking some pictures and video.
Of what?
This nice shop you got.
We can't disclose why we were sent here. Sorry.
How you doing?
I think you like legally have to ask to film people now.
Really? After
They're looking for a confrontation. You smack them around, then they go to small claims court and they whine and cry about all this.
That's actually not it at all. Here's an un-American First Amendment hater.
This incident highlights the importance of knowing legal rights and responsibilities. Citizens have the right to film in public, but should remain respectful. Likewise, businesses must understand the limits of privacy to avoid misunderstandings and false reports to the police.